Hello guys, welcome back to another video of 30 days CAD challenge where we would be making 3D models out of 2D models. Today we are going to model 4 on SolidWorks. The learning outcome that you would get from this video are how to use sketch commands, how to dimension, how to use extruded boss base feature, how to use extruded cut feature and how to use reference plane. So let's start. Click on sketch and front plane. First we would sketch this part from here so that we can get this whole thing. Rough sketch, click on OK and now dimension it. If 5 mm, 75 mm, 10 mm in between. From this 10 mm. Okay. The whole length is 135 mm. We have to correctly dimension it. 40 mm over here. Do it. You see here, it has become 135 mm. All dimensions are now correct. Here you can see that it is fully defined. So now go to features, extruded boss base. It is given of length 90 mm. Click OK. As you can see over here. So now you can either click on this surface and start sketching the circles, these 4 circles, or the second option is go to reference plane, click on plane, select, click on plane and flip the offset, click on OK. Start sketching over here, go to normal 2 and sketch these 4 circles. Okay. Then press Ctrl and click on these 4 circles. Give them a relation equal. Okay. Now dimension them. Okay. 20 mm from side. This circle and this circle. This circle and this circle. That is given 105. 20 mm. Now it is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features and extruded cut. As you can see here the preview. Click OK. Oh, we have to reverse the direction. Check for the direction and then click on OK. Right click on this plane and hide it. Now go to reference plane. Click on here. Flip the offset, and to make this triangle type, it is 37 from this point. So make it 37 mm. Click OK. Click normal to and make this triangle. Make it on both the sides. Go to extruded boss base. Inverse the direction and of 6 thickness. Okay. So now we have to make this part. So go over here, click on sketch, normal to. And make a rectangle over here. Then click on center point arc and make an arc. Now dimension them. Go to trim entities and trim this portion and make a circle in between over here of diameter 20. Press on OK. So click on OK, go to features, extruded boss base, invert its direction and click on this vertex and OK. Our model tail here is prepared, as you can see. Our last part is to make this portion in between. So we would go on to reference plane, select this hole, we would select here, make it offset. As we know, this whole length is of 75 mm. So OK. Now sketch on this plane. Go normal to. As we see here, it is joining with the surface over here. So this click over here, convert entities, trim it from here, click on this and coincident and click on OK. Now trim the other parts and OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. Now as we choose the plane at the center, so to give a thickness of 6 mm, it is in center, so we would give 3 mm thickness on both the sides. So put over here 3 mm, then select direction 2 and there also put 3 mm. Click on OK. Hide this plane and our model is ready. So guys, here our model 4 is complete. Do let us know if you came across any difficulty in the comment section down below. Like, share and subscribe to our channel Start Scratch and check out other videos to learn similar skills through our bite-sized content. Thank you and I will see you guys in the next one.